Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today we're going to transplant this rhododendron. We need to relocate it because last year I put in this beautiful slider. You can check that on YouTube on my YouTube page. And so this year what we're going to do is we're going to build a concrete patio deck here because we can sit out here and enjoy the view of the river. Today, please join me as I work on this pretty big rhododendron. I'm going to have to use a tractor for it. But before we get started, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel so you can get updates of all my videos. So as per my wife's instructions, we are going to locate that rhododendron right underneath this tree. That'll give it a little bit of shade and a little bit of sun, and it's going to be just the way she wants it. So we're going to use this beautiful little Kubota tractor here because we all know that it is the funnest thing in the world to use power tools, especially big power tools. And so today I'm going to be digging my hole first. I'm going to dig it, maybe 10, 12 inches deep, so that and a little bit bigger than what I expect the root ball to be, so that when I dig that up, there'll be lots of room for it. Alright, so I got a hole about 12 inches deep at its deepest point, and when I dig it up, I'll check it out again just to make sure it's okay. Yeah, it looks like it's going to fit there really well. And so now we're going to move over and we're going to dig around that. Before I use my little Kubota to dig that thing up, I'm going to use a hand shovel to dig around the root ball, cut all the roots off, make sure I can get underneath it. Make it a little easier to get into where I need to dig, I'm going to tie up the rhododendron with the rope. My wife just gave me this take root rooting hormone that we're going to spread around in there before we put the rhododendron in there. So take root, that's what we're going to use. Now I'm digging a little trench around it so I can get my blade underneath it and get the rhododendron up without any trouble. That's what I'm doing right now. Manual labor. Now you just sit back and relax and watch me dig up this rhododendron. It'll be fun. Now it would be ideal if you had forks on the front of it. That's the way to do it. But in this case, I don't have forks, so we're doing the second best thing, getting underneath there, getting that root ball. So you can see I got the root ball out. I'm going to fill this up with water and moisten it up. And we're going to add some of that root stuff to it to make it help it root. And we'll be ready to go. You obviously you need to water it every day, keep it moist. You don't want the roots to get dry. We're going to add our magic solution. Got to be careful about fertilizers. From all I understand, rhododendrons don't do well with fertilizers, so you need to be careful about that. But this is some root stuff. Mix it in there. And that is how we transplanted this rhododendron with a Kubota tractor. Now here is that same rhododendron about 30 days later. Man, I'll tell you what, a little bit of water, a little bit of sunshine, that thing is looking really good. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the rhododendron that sits by the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching.